Okay, we have this question here. It talks about blood samples. It says they want to sample 4 people at a time, combine their blood into a mixture, and it says find the probability of a positive result for 4 samples combined into one mixture. So basically, we want to find the probability. If I mix 4 samples together, I'm looking for the probability of at least one positive sample. That's what I'm looking for. I want the probability that at least one of the 4 has a positive sample. That way they know to test each person individually. So to find that, it's usually easier to find the complement. The complement of this would be that nobody has a positive sample, or no positive samples, or all negative. So the complement of this would be all negative. So to find this probability, I'm going to do 1 minus the probability of all negative. Okay, that's a much easier thing to find. So if I have 4 samples, I want to know the probability that they're all negative. Well, the probability of being positive is 0.09. So the probability that the first one is negative is the rest of that. Subtract that from 1, you get 0.91. Probability the second one's negative is 0.91, 0.91, 0.91. And we're just going to multiply these together to get the probability that all of them are negative. So we'll do 0.91 to the 4th power, or you can do times 4 times. So we get 0.6857. Okay, that's the probability that every single sample in the group is negative. I want to know the complement of that, so I'm going to do 1 minus that number. So the probability of at least one positive sample is going to be 0.3142 or 31.4. A little different than what we did in 106. 106 we did the false positive and false negative. This is more probability problem.